everyone!
Hi!
Welcome back to our channel. We are the Rainbow Hubbies, and if it is your first time here,
don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, comment so that you'll get to enjoy our journey as a couple.
So, welcome to vlog number 10.
10.
We are doing a hike here at Quincy.
In the heart of Quincy, you get to find this fantastic area that you can explore. The name of the place is Blue Hills Reservation.
We're not professional hikers.
We're not professional hikers, but we've learned the basics of what to prepare, and hopefully we are not gonna get lost.
And we're gonna show you some tips and tricks based on our experience and based on the little knowledge that we know. And hopefully you can get something out of it, or if not, just be entertained with our adventure here. Just enjoy!
Tip number 1. So if you are going to go for a hike, make sure that you use your insect repellent. It has to be sportsman.
And what are you gonna do? You eat it?
You're gonna spray it like this.
Wow.
Yes. You make sure you repel all the parasites in your life.
There are a lot of insects, right?
Yeah. So what are the risks of going for a hike? You might get Lyme disease.
What's a Lyme disease?
If I'm not wrong, it's from deer ticks.
Oh, okay.
So, it's what we call kuto,
Ah, really?
but from deers, and they cause a lot of problems. And once you have it, I think, correct me again if I'm wrong, you're gonna have it forever.
Oh, wow.
Alright guys, it's his turn. It is essential.
Who is essential? Who's hashtag essential?
Right now it's the insect repellent.
Can I use this on my face or no?
Try it.
Anyway, so guys, don't forget to use Off Deepwood Sportsman Insect Repellent.
Yeah.
Okay? So, where are we now?
We just entered Blue Hill and we're lost already.
Oh, tip number 2, make sure, ideally, that you would have a map. Even if there's like a path that you would simply follow, there are different levels when you do your trail, walk or hike, or whatever you call that. So make sure, so you wouldn't be lost, that you have a map.
But when you do your hiking, you have to make sure that you decide on which trail to follow. So like for example, we're gonna use the green trail, just to make sure that we don't get lost.
Yeah, it's a very big reservation.
It's a very big rainforest.
So are there different codes? I mean, different painted trees?
Yes, if you are gonna go back to the map, you'll see different trails.
Oh, I see.
So you have to decide whether you want to go to Skyline area or you want to go to the pond. I decided to go to the canteen.
He decided to go to the Skyline Trail, the green colored paint, because we just chanced upon it. But guys, look, this is the pond. It actually looks beautiful. What we love so far about this is that even if you're in the middle of the city, there's a spot where you can experience nature and feel the greenery, the warm yet clean air, and
Fresh air.
and you hear the birds chirping. And I think, I'll be very honest, this is the first time I think that we walked this far without any jacket, because it's like, you know, the weather is beautiful. Yeah, trying is right. I see a lot of insects. So let's eat before repelling them off the ocean. Oh, that's actually quite nice.
No more photo shoot, please.
I
No
like
more
this
pictorial.
path.
Okay, do you still have the markers?
There are no trees. So let's see. So far, this is like the only big excuse me,
Allergens.
so far this is the only big path. So therefore, I think we're on the right track.
Alright, but we can't see any more green colored markers, so that means we're lost.
No, we're not. Hi, Tutubi.
Oh my god, someone's scared of Tutubi. Trivia!
Trivia.
Tutubi!
Tutubi is dragonfly, right?
Yeah,
We
in
used to-
English.
In English, it's dragonfly. And I remember when we were younger, VJ and I, my younger brother, we would collect insects.
And eat them.
No! Oh, look at those leaves. Cute. Someone's tired. Tamad po siyang maglakad, guys. So, welcome to Jensen! Very Pinas feels big. Nasaan? Okay, next tip. If you see a bear, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna run? Are you gonna hide? Are you gonna scream? Answer. You have to play dead, kainis. Ryan was saying that you need to have a whistle. Is that right? Because apparently, bears are afraid of the whistle sound. I'm not sure if it's true. I don't know if it's true. I don't know if it's right. And I don't know where he got that from. Guys, effort po. Effort talaga, nakakapagod. Ilang miles na po yung nalalakad namin. Baby, ilang miles na nalalakad natin. Especially if you're holding the phone like this na pabaliktad at pabaliktad ka maglakad. It's not easy. Why am I doing this?
From the map that we've downloaded, it says careful, do not feed the animals like him.
Wow! Kakainis!
And here we have our friend here.
Oh my god, nakakatakot. It's scary.
What are these?
A dog, an ascal.
It's a coyote.
Coyote. Oh my gosh. Bless you. Ayan, nakarma ka. So after you reach your final destination, oh my gosh.
We're heading back, guys.
So we're heading back. So last tip, after the long walk, you're so tired, you're so sweaty, take a bit of a rest and then have a moment to reflect.
Drink a lot of water.
Yes.
Hydrate yourself.
And meditate.
Yeah, you meditate.
Or you can also bring food and drinks, listen to music, take time to rest. I think
make sure that you bring your trash back home. Don't leave anything here. There's no trash cans here. If you were gonna bring dogs here, you also have to make sure that you
pick up their poo-poo.
their poo-poo.
And also, I think the time you have till sunset, but just hurry back to the entrance or the exit.
No lights.
There will be no lights. So
Speaking of,
yeah, so we'll be heading
dark.
back very soon.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed our
Vlog number 10 about hiking.
woohoo and being physically fit on this very wonderful Sunday afternoon.
If you got entertained and you liked our tips, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video. Oops, in our vlog. And we'll see you again in our next vlog. Alright?
Yeah.
And always remember to make love with